What's up, guys? So today we're gonna get into some priming and gonna do a little body work on these. Like I said, we gonna do some hot build primer, and we might start installing the ground effects. Got to check. Maybe not. That might be the next video, but stick around and find out. All right, guys. So let's get some of this stuff moved around and get some plastic laid down on this on the ground here. All right, so here's our setup. Yeah, we ain't got much room, but we're gonna make it do what it do. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, as you can see, I had to go get me some OEM fenders because the aftermarket fenders that I bought do not, shall I say, they do not line up well. So I gotta restrip these down to metal, do some body work here. I have to sand all of these ground effects, and then we're gonna spray them with some primer. Yeah. And then, as you can see here, I had to cut the bottom half of the GT fender off for two reasons. One, it wouldn't fit well with my front ground effect, my air dam, should I say. And two, where I bought it from, I didn't realize, on the pictures, you can see that it has opening for fog lights. I was good with that until I got it. Somebody had cut the opening even bigger than the original way it was on the bumper. So I had to, it was screwed up from the beginning. So I was good with, I had no choice but to be good with it, but I was glad that I didn't need it anyway because of my ground effect. So I'm gonna get some sandpaper. I'm gonna sand this down. I'm gonna break out my tool to strip the rest of this down. And then we're gonna hand sand those ground effects back there, and then we'll prime them. Yeah, that's a lot of work, y'all. I think that's gonna be it too, because I've been sick for the past, that's why I have a video last week, because I've been sick. So no, it wasn't COVID. I'm still coughing up cold now, so it was just a cold. So, and it's raining outside now, so I'm going to get busy, man. Do what I can and see where it goes. Well, as you guys can see, I found some issues here that we're gonna square away. Other than that, it's clean. That's the main reason why I wanted to strip those fenders down to find any issues that I may have. Other than that, I didn't have to do that. All I did was scuff it and then primer it. But we're gonna take care of that. We're gonna take care of that. So, also, probably gonna do a quick sand of this stuff here. And then we're gonna get ready to primer. All right, DSG, so I'm gonna hand sand these to my 150, my 100. And then I'll go over it with that 150. Then if I gotta go a little bit rougher, then I go down to 80. All right, so let's get to it. Throw y'all in time lapse. All right, so we got those sanded. I'm gonna tell you, these things are not perfect. Coming out the mold, they left some remnants everywhere, so I had to grind it down a little bit. And I'm finna wipe it down. And then you need to put, our next step for these, you need to do, add some adhesion promoter on these so that the primer will stick. I'll blow this crap off too. But I need to do these other ones first. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna bring y'all back when we add an adhesion promoter and we're gonna do some priming. All right, guys, so these this bumper here got some issues, and my rear ground effect got an issue. So we're gonna spread some of this. I don't actually use Bondo. This is a form of Bondo. It's called ice. It's a little bit easier to deal with. In fact, it's a whole lot easier to deal with. We're gonna spread some of this shit on here. Come on now, stop it, stop it, stop it. There we go. I think that's it for that one right there. I don't know if I was supposed to spray some adhesion promoter on here to first, but I didn't, so we'll see how it turns out. Oh yeah, my front bumper, my front ground effect as well. has some issues. Just seeing a couple of things I don't like, and I'm gonna try to spray something on. I done took care of this already. I was over there, I was hand sanding, but then I quit that crap because that should have killed you. I went to my audible sander and did it pretty good. Anything else I'll pick up with my high bill. High bill to show it. Sure will. Well, anything else pop up, a hot bill to catch it. All right, good people, so we done got this stuff squared away over here. I'm not gonna worry about my bumper or these fenders today. I'm just gonna get this here done and we're gonna call this a video because it's been a long day. So let me put on some adhesion promoter so that we can go ahead and get these things done. So some of that I guess Bondo has flaked off of these, so we gonna see how this stuff holds up. I think I got just enough to spray this and that. Maybe. Here we go, guys. Here we go. I gotta make some more. let it dry, and we'll come back and see what's going on. All right, guys, so we have issues. So let me show you this right there. There go our mixer hot build. Our hot build is clogging up our paint gun because it's coming out in chunks. So that tells me that my hot build is old. All right, so it was flowing good for a little while, and then all of a sudden, it wasn't flowing good. But I went on and did this one offline while I was waiting for this stuff here to dry. And I did this here, but I couldn't get this one done. But I did prime it down. I did spray it with what's that, etching primer, because it was all metal. So, but we have gotten to this stage here, man, and this is where we're gonna have to end it. I'm gonna go over this stuff again because there's a couple of spots that need some spot putty. So we're going to do that. But this is where we're gonna end this video, guys. And I want to say thanks to all the new subscribers that have subscribed, and we're going to keep it moving, y'all. So just going to end this video right here. We're going to move on to put it back together. Or do I want to take my doors off? I might take my doors off, man. I don't know yet. But yeah, I might take my doors off and get, get all the guts out of it and do that. And start taping that thing up, getting it ready to spray. I don't know when it's going to get sprayed, but I'm going to get it ready to spray. That means I need to seal up the windows, all the openings and everything like that I don't want red paint to go. And yeah, we're going to get it from there. So, like, comment, subscribe, man. Don't cost you nothing to subscribe. And we're going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace.